I'm absolutely delighted to announce that Warwick Music Group have won the Queen's Award for Enterprise in the Innovation category. The Queen's Award for Enterprise is really the pinnacle of business awards in the United Kingdom. We've been very fortunate over the years to win a number of awards, but this is the one to win, and the fact that Her Majesty the Queen has recognised us, a small company in Staffordshire, for making musical instruments in such an innovative way is the best feeling in the world. So we've won the award in the Innovation category, so that's the category that celebrates new and exciting innovative achievements by British businesses, and for us specifically it's about the pBone, the first instrument that we created, the world's first plastic trombone, which we've gone on to sell 250,000 units across the world. Now most trombones are made out of brass, but we decided to make out of plastic. That was because we wanted to make it accessible and fun, particularly for young children. So because it's plastic, it's lightweight, it's really robust, it's easy to hold, and we do them in lots of bright colours. What we care about is making music accessible and fun, and that's what the pBone delivers. In 2007, when we had the crazy idea to make a plastic trombone, there were three of us. Chris Fowler, who's an instrument designer, Hugh Rashley, who was the original inventor, and myself. And since that time, the team has grown to over 20 people based in 4 continents around the world. So we're still a small team, but we're really passionate. We're parents, we're educators, we care about the music industry, we care about giving access to music for as many people who want to engage with it. But without all of the hard work of my team, it wouldn't have been possible. So this award is really for them. The Queen's Award is really the pinnacle of all the business awards, but it doesn't stop there for us. We're a highly innovative business. It pushes us on to do more and more things, to be more challenging, to be more innovative, to do more development, because our driver is about getting as many children and adults engaged in music as possible. And things like the Queen's Award help give you that impetus to keep going, because it really is worth it.